What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. Guys, welcome to Kenny J TV. If you are a first-time viewer, first-time visitor, feel free to browse around my channel and check out some of my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for my latest notifications. If you are a returning viewer, returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today, I wanted to hop on here real quick. I'm in the middle of working from home, so just typing up some stuff, reaching out to clients, and something hit me because I've been getting a lot of business from my referral partners, and I get the question a lot, what are the type of businesses or who are the type of people that I need to network with and partner with in order to get an influx or a consistent flow of business to my insurance agency, my brand, or what have you. So I'm going to list the top referral partners that I use in my day-to-day business that sends me consistent business. The first referral partner, the first line of business, however you want to say it, that I get a lot of business from is, of course, realtors. So I have a few realtors that I use consistently that send me business, and the reason why they are so important is because they're the ones showing houses, they're the ones advising their clients on where to go, how you need to buy this house, and they're holding their hand step by step through the home buying process. So when they recommend, hey, you need to go to Remedy Insurance and Wealth Builders for your homeowners insurance, they don't think twice, they don't shop. 90% of the time, they go ahead with the quote you provide, and it makes it very easy as well. And if you're able to provide that quote very quickly and it's at a very competitive rate, the realtor will send you consistent business because now the clients will be happy, the realtor will be happy, as well as they can get that closing done. Because I've seen times where realtors have reached out to different insurance agencies or agents and they were very delayed on sending the quote for the homeowners insurance, and because of that, I've even seen where the closing was pushed back because they were waiting on the insurance. And when you're partnering with anybody, but especially people in real estate, you want to put them at the top of your list. You want to expedite that process because you don't want the insurance quote to be holding up the closing. And if you're consistently being delayed or sending it late, I promise you, there are about 1.2 million insurance agents in the country. They will find someone else that will be a lot more efficient and be happy to service their clients. The second referral partner that I use, and it's been great, amazing, are mortgage lenders. Mortgage lenders. They are great referral partners. They're very similar to realtors, not in what they do, but more so referring clients to me. A lot of times, if they're not getting the information from their realtor, their mortgage lender will say, all right, we have the loan for your mortgage. This is where you need to go for your insurance. Or even sometimes, one of my referral partners, she sends me a ton of business. She'll reach out on behalf of the client, send me all the information. I send back the quote. And of course, with homeowners insurance, most of the times, or if there's a mortgage, it's escrowed in, which is absolutely amazing. So once she says, all right, they're good to go, they want to go ahead and get the policy, all I have to do is bind it with that effective date and we're good to go because the check is going to be mailed right to the insurance company. And that's a really big reason on why I love homeowners insurance, is because I don't have to follow up and say, hey, your bill is due, hey, you're late on payment, because it's all escrowed into their monthly payment, and the mortgage company, the bank, whoever you're getting it financed through is sending the check in full at the beginning of the year to the company. And that's one of my favorite things with my homeowner insurance clients. I usually never hear from them again. I'll check in on them every year about the renewal, if they request that, or if something did change, or if the value of the home did change as well. I will reach out to them to do a review of their policy, but other than that, I've never had a homeowner's insurance client call me and say, hey, I want to change something on my policy, or I have a question, because it just doesn't happen. You see that more so on the auto insurance side and more so on the commercial side as well, if the business needs a lot of certificate of insurance and they need different coverages for what they're doing. The third type of referral partner that I love working with are CPAs, which are certified public accountants. So with them, they do provide a lot of financial guidance, if you will, to their clients, and they a lot of times advise their clients to get life insurance or even commercial insurance. So a lot of my CPA partners, they deal with a lot of business owners, and you know, they're saying, I'm paying too much for my commercial insurance, or even the CPA will look at their expenses and say, hey, you're paying a lot of money for your insurance. Let me reach out to my partner in insurance to see if he's able to get you a better rate. And because of those referrals, I've been able to save people a lot of money with their commercial insurance. And with life insurance as well, she'll say, hey, I see where you have all these things, but what happens if something happens to you and your business? Who's going to take care of that? You need a life insurance policy in place to take care of any loose ends you may have. It gets their brains working, and because she is a certified public accountant, she is a specialist in this field, they trust her opinion, they trust her recommendation, they reach out to me, and the rest is history. So I know that when I get referrals from any one of these partners, that I'm always going to close the deal, because it's a warm lead, and when they reach out to me, I already know their intent. They know what I'm about, I know what they're about, and it's very easy. They're always very kind and very eager to get that insurance policy started. One that has been super big for me, and probably one of my favorites for a few reasons, is State Farm agents. So as some of you may know, if you've been following me for a while, I started my insurance career at State Farm, was there about 5 months. Then I left and I started my own insurance agency. But because I knew the State Farm system and how they worked, they can insure a lot of high risk people like roofing companies and things like that. So when they can't do that, they have to send that business somewhere. So who better to send it to than this guy, right? So they send me the business, and literally this week I insured my first gas station. It was an Exxon. I was super psyched, and it was a referral from a State Farm agent. And the great thing about it is I've built a great relationship with about 4 or 5 State Farm agencies, and they send me consistent business because they aren't able to write it, or even sometimes they'll be like, hey Kenny, I'm not able to insure this business because they do not have 2 years of experience in the business. Can you hold the policy for 2 years and then we'll take it back? My answer is always, of course. Why would I not want to get 2 years of payment, 2 years of commission on that policy, and then you can take it back? I'm doing them a favor, they're doing me a favor, and it works out beautiful. I love my State Farm agency referral partners because I understand the State Farm system, and a lot of people call State Farm on a daily basis to get these policies, and a lot of times State Farm can't do it, so they're sending me consistent business. So if you are insurance and you're an independent broker, independent agent, reach out to State Farm agencies. You would be surprised at the amount of business that you can get from that. It's been a ton of business this year. My first year in business was from State Farm. And the last referral partner that I use that has been great, it's kind of a broad spectrum of people, but definitely hone in and tap into this, is business owners of big corporations or businesses. So if they have, and a big business to me is anybody that has possibly 10 or more employees. I know that's not the correct term for a big business, but to me it is. You have 10 employees on your payroll, you're doing pretty good, right? So with this, you work with these business owners, you're able to do group policies, and also they can recommend you, like, hey, I have car insurance and it's through so-and-so, but I'm spending a lot of money. Oh, I have a referral partner for you. He's great, he has his own insurance agency. And I've gotten a ton of referrals from business owners trying to help their employees save more money, or even get life insurance, health insurance, because all business owners, especially the ones that have not a ton of employees, don't offer benefits. So I'm here to help them in any way possible to make sure that they have the life insurance, they have the health insurance, they have any type of insurance they need. Another great thing about business owners is they need commercial insurance, and business owners surround themselves around other business owners or people that are looking to get into entrepreneurship. And when they get into entrepreneurship and open their business, what do they need? Insurance. So again, they're recommending me, they're putting me on to these people that I would have never met or came across, and because of that, I'm constantly getting more business, and also I'm partnering with more and more business owners. That has been amazing for me. And those are the top referral partners that I use in my day-to-day business. I'm very grateful for my referral partners. Very early on, I said to myself, I don't always want to have to chase after clients. Sometimes I want the clients and the money to come to me. So with these referral partners, I'm able to help and benefit other people's business, as well as businesses coming to me, waking up to referrals, waking up to emails about people needing insurance is literally the best feeling. So make sure that you tap into these different referral partners. It will take you a very, very long way. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Kenny J TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. I have to get back to work. It is the middle of the workday, but this was really on my mind and I wanted to get that out to you guys. So I'm about to go. I'm about to eat lunch, and I should have did a day in the life video, but I promise you those are coming soon. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.